Okay guys, I'm at the Denny residence over in New Albany, Indiana. I'm looking at a Goodman, 125,000 BTU, 80% upflow. This unit's a 1987. And we've, just to start off, how you get down here, I got right over, that was Chris, by the way, everybody. So you're going to go right down the steps, and you're going to come back to the back of the kitchen and come down these steps and walk through the washroom. And the cat walking this way is walking toward where the furnace is at. So that's how you get down here. So a couple of things I want to talk to you about. Your coil is very restrictive to the current furnace that's in here, but then we slim down on our ductwork above that coil. So you're down below, you're 18.5 by 22, and it's it's okay as far as coming close to matching the furnace, but then you get up here and you're restrictive even up above the furnace. So one of the things that they did, they removed coming out the front, there's a 14 by 8 duct right here. We're going to kind of follow that. And they cut off the supply right here where that was going to. They used to go to a bathroom and a bedroom upstairs, so that is now cut off, and they currently don't have the ductwork to it. However, he's got an 8-inch run that comes off the front off of that, goes to the upstairs there, and then over here on the side to the right, that duct is 20 by 8, and so that's running off the side here, going this way, with several 8-inch vents coming off there. And then on the back is another 8-inch vent right there at the top that goes that way. So we've really only got about 2 vents upstairs that have been cut off. There's the top of your ductwork right there. We try to get a little bit better angle there. There's the top of the ductwork with your ductwork coming off the top. So squared and flat at the top. On your return, we used to have a pan right there. That's no longer panned. That's kind of open, but you still have this return drawing from that, and that is about a 24 by 8. So that's what you look like in your return. It's quite a, really kind of a little bit of a mess there. So that needs to have a piece of panning put back across there, so that you're not just drawing right out of the basement like that. We're coming down like so. There's your gas shut-off, your electrical, 3/4 inch hard pipe going into the side of the furnace. Probably hear the furnace kicking on, the blower and the inducer motor, and several things have some issues. But the biggest issue of all is this has a hole in the heat exchanger. So we're contemplating on what to do here. Your refrigerant line straight 3/4 goes up like this, goes around, goes through this wall. We're going to follow this for a minute. It comes around, bends around here by the washer, and then you go on out, and it's right outside that wall there. So that's approximately about 40 feet of line set. It goes out to the outside wall, to the outside unit. Anyway, this is what we look like on the top of our return supply. Then your flue goes up, goes here. It's an offset chimney without a flue liner. So that is double wall going into there, but the chimney's offset, so I doubt very seriously if anybody was able to get a liner in that at all. So we do have pretty close followings where we could go out the end of the sidewall there, in between those two windows. There's a lot of ways that we could run this gas flue line. Your drain line goes down 3/4 inch, and then reduces to a smaller size drain, and it keeps running along this wall right here. It's going underneath this little board. so people don't step on it and crush it. And then it comes out and drains right here. So you got a mess right there. So, and you want to fix that or correct that. I think the easiest thing to do would be to put a condensate pump on this furnace and run the tube up and over and into the drain line on the washer. So you would go through this wall and just, or in the joist and down, and run it right over here to where the washer and dryer sit, right over on that other side there. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you got some valuable information that will help us to correct some things here, and we're looking at air cleaner type device because of where this unit sits at, so we are going to discuss that also. Thank you.